Thank you too for joining this therapy session. We'll start with you, sir. So, your wife has stated that you do not buy her flowers. Is that true?
I mean, I'll be honest, I didn't even know she sold flowers.
This is going to take longer than I thought.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Day and Enter channel. And in today's video, we're going to be doing another muffler test with my 1997 Chevy Camaro RS with a 3.8 liter V6 motor. Today's muffler is the Flowmaster Super 10. So looking at their website, it says that the Super 10 series is a 409 stainless steel single chamber muffler. It's intended for customers who desire the loudest and most aggressive sound they can find. Because these mufflers are so aggressive, they're recommended only for off-highway use and not for street-driven vehicles. Please. So if you look at this chart right here, the Flowmaster Super 10 is just a notch quieter than open headers. That's what I'm talking about. So these mufflers utilize the same patented Delta Flow technology that is found in Flowmaster's other Super Series mufflers to deliver maximum performance. It's constructed of 16 gauge 409 stainless steel and fully MIG welded for maximum durability. It features race proven Delta Flow technology, 409 stainless steel for the third time, Super 10 aggressive sound level in a compact size for easy fitment. Now that size is 4 inches in height, the body length is 6.5 inches, and the body width is 9.5 inches. So it's a pretty dinky muffler, so there isn't a whole lot of sound deadening as they've described on their website. So the proof is in the pudding. How does this 3.8 liter V6 sound? Well, find out for yourself, put on a good set of headphones, and stick around to the end of the video, and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions of the Super 10 on my Camaro. I'll give you a hint. I really like it, and then kind of don't. That doesn't help. Anyway, enjoy the video. All right, so that is the Flowmaster Super 10 on my 97 Camaro with the 3.8 liter V6 motor. Before I mentioned that I kind of like it and I kind of don't, but the reason why I kind of don't, it's not the muffler's fault, it's the V6 motor's fault. I really like the sound of this muffler on my car at cold start, at idle, and at low RPMs, like putting around a parking lot or something. It has a really nice deep tone rumble at low RPMs, and it sounds really good. So on the flip side of that, the higher RPMs, that's where it sounds like a ticked off bumblebee fart. I really don't like the raspiness of a V6 motor. The Flowmaster Super 10 does its very best, but it just can't handle the rasp, much like the rest of the mufflers on the market. So Flowmaster does have a reputation for drone in the cabin of the car. The drone is definitely noticeable in this Camaro, but I will say, honestly, it's really not that bad. I don't know if it's because I'm used to having aftermarket mufflers on my vehicles now and I'm just kind of used to that drone tone, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it maybe a 5 or 6. So anyway, I give it a thumbs up at low RPMs and a thumbs down at high RPMs. Well, if you like what you saw, go ahead and check out my channel for the other muffler videos. I've got dozens of them on my Sierra, my Silverado, a Yukon, and my Camaro. I've tested several different brands of mufflers now, so be sure and check out my channel. And if it warrants your subscription, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's totally free, and I sure do appreciate it. Well, if you're a fan of the F-body, go ahead and check out my merch link below. I've got all 4 generations of the F-body on a t-shirt, so you want to check those out. I've got all kinds of other humorous and parody designs. I've got hats, stickers, and more. Be sure and check out that link in the description below. Any purchase you make there helps this channel grow, and it really helps a guy out. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Be sure and check out my social media. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. See you next time.